Well, Christmas has arrived a little late for me. This was supposed to arrive December 25th. It's now January 10th, so we're a little behind schedule, but in the truck behind me, you see Factory 5 Racing, and I'm gonna start my new Cobra Coupe. It's the Daytona Coupe, or the Factory 5 Type 65 build. So we're gonna get this thing unloaded and into the garage. So a little bit about the Factory 5 Type 65. It's a recreation of the Shelby Daytona Coupe that in 1964-65 was built by Shelby in 90 days, designed by Pete Brock. And it actually won the 1965 FIA World Championship, the only American car to ever win the GT class. So a little bit of backstory.
Fun ride at all down there.
Okay, so the truck is now opened up, and
Yep.
I'm gonna put all this on YouTube. So
Oh, very cool.
yeah, I'm putting like a whole build video on YouTube.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
So I went ahead and got you set up as far as boxes
Oh my
go.
gosh.
So we're good on boxes are.
So here are the boxes inside the truck, and back there you can actually see the coupe. Looks like the nose is off. Looks like there might be two of them back there from what I can see. So yeah, I guess we'll have to see how he gets it out of here. But a bunch of boxes here. So as you can see behind me here, we got a pile of boxes. Hell of a lot more boxes than I thought came with the Cobra, but check all these out. I even got some stuffed underneath the Jeep. So yeah, a whole lot of boxes to go through. Some are pretty heavy, which tells me this car's supposed to be light, but man, there's some heavy boxes in there. Okay, so the body's now been, or the nose part has been moved to the back of the truck, and now we're gonna lift it off of the truck. So we're making progress. So here it is. We got the nose out, sitting on the grass. And now I gotta get the body out of here. Making progress. Just down a little. In the process now of hooking the body up. So Scott here is gonna get the hoist down into the chassis somewhere, I don't know where, and then we'll lift this thing up and we're gonna slide it the entire 52-foot length of this truck and then drop it onto the ground. So we're getting there. All right, making progress.
I had one customer say set it on the ground. Please don't say drop. I go, okay, that actually makes sense.
It does make sense. So we're going to set it on the ground gently instead of dropping it the way I said. So.
I'm like, I never thought of that until you said it.
Well, that's true.
Because that's what I said all the time, drop.
Yeah.
Drop it down.
Yeah, you drop it down.
Please don't say that.
That's funny.
I'm going to put this quilt. Come up a little bit higher.
Okay.
Go up a little bit more.
So the car's now in the air.
Okay. You ready? We're gonna hold her down right here.
Yep.
We turn all the boxes. All right, I'm gonna start coming out.
Okay, here we go.
But that heel here is a little easy. All right.
They have a slow speed?
I wish there was. Doing this on the heel gets really scary. You ready? For just a minute. How are we doing back there? We good? All right, you guys ready?
So this thing's only got one speed and it's freaking fast.
All right, we're gonna do it again. I'm bringing out a little more. Then I'm gonna start setting it down so we can get a hold of it.
Okay.
Here, how you guys doing? You okay? You good back here? What? We're gonna bring it out just a little bit more. Once I put it in these boxes, we're gonna set it down. You ready? How we doing? We good? Yep. All right, I'm gonna set it. Can I set it down anymore? You got it.
I can hold it down right here. You can go all the way out as long as we can clear upwards.
All right, you ready? We're gonna go out. You're clear. All right, I'm gonna take it lower so we can handle it a little better. What your neighbor said. It's like something else is.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. What is this crap?
Yeah. What's it doing? All right. towards me, and we're going to rotate the car and clear in the deck back there. Yeah. Good? Okay. Yeah. All right, we're going to go ahead and spin it and start bringing it down. Okay, you're clear. I'll get the target set up and get it on the wall. Okay, got it. Got it? Yep, all right. All right, get it back. May have to check the balance a little bit. All right, go down a little more. Good. Balance here. Bring it back. Feels pretty good. All right, feel good? Yeah, pretty stable? Yeah, that ain't bad at all, man. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so the car is in its new home. And I'm gonna back factory 5 up. He's gonna stay here, I think, for 8-10 hours or something because he's timed out his driving. And then he'll be leaving in the morning. It's home. The coupe is now into its build home here, where we'll start. Yeah, it's narrow, little one. Well, I got 2-car garage, but I got my CJ in one half and the coupe in the other. So it'd be a little bit tight, but I built the Cobra this way, and it's definitely doable. The Jeep is all the way against the wall, so as you can see, the garage is fairly clean, so it's really not an issue. But I'm going to start inventory. So we're going to start going through all these boxes and see what we've got figured out, because I have no idea. There's a lot more boxes than there were with the Cobra. At least it seems like it, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But we'll start going through. I'll get a little video here of inventory. But other than that, I got the glass is in. Should probably pull it apart to check, but it looks pretty good. I don't see any cracks. I think we're okay. The rear actually doesn't have any plastic on it. So the rear, you can see, has got no cracks at all. A couple little issues with fiberglass, but nothing that can't be fixed. You know, as you can see here, a little rough in some spots, but that's to be expected with fiberglass. So, as I said, nothing that can't be repaired. Chassis is just badass. I mean, look at that thing. And we're going to make it even more so after we add some more, do some more triangulation. Thank you for joining along in my journey to build this Factory 5 Type 65 Cobra Daytona coupe. I will try to get videos up in the build process every couple of days. Please hit subscribe and you'll be notified when other videos are posted. Thank you and look forward to the journey with you.